Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the face unlock in your Motorola F13 Neo, so you can unlock your phone with your face. So slide down and search for the settings. Now scroll down here and search for the security. Yep, that's it. Now there is option face unlock. So let's put our pattern and unlock with a glance. So set up it here. You can read it everything about the face unlock. So set up, and now I'm gonna be set up my face. So you can please look directly at camera. Yep, you should put your eyes into the camera. Now skip lock screen. Yep, leave to unlocked. Let's try. Got it. Okay. And let's try this walking. Yep. As you see, I only put my eyes here on the camera and they recognize me. And that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!